Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is stopping distance of a vehicles. So first, what is stopping distance? Okay, this is the very important concept of CBSE, NCERT and JEE Mains and NEET level. Okay, so in this concept, stopping distance of a vehicles, when brakes are applied to a moving vehicle, the distance it travels before stopping is called stopping distance. When brakes are applied to a moving vehicle, the distance traveled before stopping is called stopping distance. Just brakes are applied to a moving vehicle, the distance traveled, some distance traveled before stopping, that is called stopping distance. Okay, in this stopping distance, it is a main important factor of road safety. It's a main important factor of road safety, and it is depends upon initial velocity and the braking capacity or deacceleration. So mainly important factor, so road safety, to deaccelerates, that is minus a, that is a negative acceleration, and depends on the initial velocity that is a VO. The VO is the initial velocity. So for example, students, and this is the car. It's the car, the first moving with the initial velocity V0. So after it travels, before stopping, that final velocity will be 0. Final velocity will be 0. In this distance is a stopping distance, that is ds. That is the stopping distance. The next to how to prove the proof of the formula for stopping distance. So let us consider the body is moving on a straight line, on a straight road. That body is a car or any vehicle. That first velocity is the initial velocity, is a V0. A distance traveled with a uniform acceleration, some acceleration is considered. Then before stopping V is equal to 0. The V is equal to 0, one condition already discussed students in the previous sessions. That is a U greater than V, that is a V0, that initial velocity greater than final velocity, that acceleration is equal to negative. Acceleration is equal to negative. The same situation, they using kinematic third equation, V square is equal to V0 square plus 2as. In this one 0 0 is equal to v naught square plus 2a, and s is the, here s is equal to stopping distance ds, then ds is equal to minus v naught square by 2a. This is the stopping distance formula. ds is equal to minus v naught square by 2a. In the stopping distance is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. The stopping distance is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. If the initial velocity is doubled, the stopping distance by factor the 4 times is increases. This is the stopping distance of a vehicle. And this one more point, students, it is a mainly factor in the speed limiter, in setting speed limit in the case of school zone. This is the stopping distance of a vehicle. Is the very important JEE mains and NEET level students. Okay, next to discuss relative velocity. Students, now discuss these two problems based on the stopping distance problem. Okay, first one, the students, a car is moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second and suddenly applies brakes. Determine the constant of proportionality if the body covers a distance of 10 meter before coming to rest. Okay, the first body is moving, so what type of velocity? Initial velocity. Okay, that is v naught is equal to 40 meter per second. After apply the brakes, determine the constant of proportionality if the body covers a distance d is equal to 10 meter. The proportionality constant, that formula is given by stopping distance d is equal to k into v naught square. Then find out proportionality constant, k is equal to d by v naught square. Then k is equal to d value 10 by 40 square. So 40 into 40, 1600. Okay, these two are division, that value 0.00625. 0.00625. This is the first problem, students. In this that formula, stopping distance ds is equal to v naught square by 2a. This is the stopping distance formula. It is given by the stopping distance d is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. It is written as d is equal to k. K is the proportionality constant or constant. D is equal to k v square. V is the initial velocity v naught. The stopping distance d is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. This is the first problem, student. Then now second problem, a bike moves with a velocity of 15 meter per second. The first velocity v naught, that is initial velocity 15 meter per second, and applies a brake. Calculate its stopping distance if the proportionality is k. K is equal to 0.9. Stopping distance of find out, students. D is equal to k into v naught square. The stopping distance is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. Very simple problem, students. Then d is equal to k value 0.9 into, so 15 into 15. Then d is equal to 0.9 into 15 square, 225. Okay, these two multiplication, student. So 202.5, d is equal to 202.5 meter. This is the problem. It's a very important problem, so a very simple problem, direct formula based problem, students. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.